like to demo the duct blaster. I think we should invite our HVAC guy to do this. Ed, you come up. You get to run the show here.
You get to fix these ducts back there.
Yeah, well, if you haven't seen it, what we have is a little mock-up of a duct box and some flex duct and some boots and a grill and a couple supplies. And so what we've done is, and they're kind of leaky in the back. What we've done is we've hooked onto the main return. We call it the snorkel. That's that silver duct. But we basically have hooked our little bitty duct blaster, which is that black fan motor right there by Roxanne. And it's made by usually the same companies that make the blower door. And we hook that up to it. And what we're going to be doing is pressurizing the duct system. So the green tube that you see over there is stuck into that duct. He's going to turn on the duct blaster, not yet, but he's going to turn on the duct blaster. He's going to pressurize the ducts we test ducts at 25 pascals. We test envelopes at 50 and ducts at 25. Okay, that's 0.1 inches of water column. And to do this, we're going to use this pressure gauge. I turn it on, no, of course, because I forgot to turn it on. I knew that was going to happen. Let's try this one more time, if you would be so.
No, that's Mom.
Huh? It'll come up just a second.
Mm-hmm.
Desktop, do you see the word desktop?
What are you looking for, man?
Oh, my brain.
All right, but does that kind of make sense that we're kind of going to go blow up the balloon? We're going to blow up the ducts. Well, not like kaboom blow up the ducts, but like a balloon. And for every CFM that we pull through the fan, someplace it's leaking out here. I'm going to pretty much tell you I've completely disconnected the runs, so I know where it's leaking. So for every CFM that's pulled through here, it's going to go out here and it's going to leak somewhere. So that's why this fan is a calibrated fan and can actually quantify that volume of air. All right, so Mike's got us ready.
Well, this is a very accurate pressure gauge. It'll measure literally down to, I'm just pushing it to show you that it'll change. It'll measure literally down to 1/10 of a pascal. And that's a very, very sensitive pressure gauge. And so what we're going to do is we have a green tube that's measuring the pressure on side A. That'll be the pressure in the duct system. And he's going to crank up the fan and make that read what? You remember?